And if we do one run a day, it's chill. I still have 3 difficulties left: tricky, hard, and a normal run, which is endless. Also looking forward to Yocho. Okay, so we have to start with tricky today. Because we did easy, speed play 1, speed play 2, so if we do tricky, hard, and normal, Twintris would be done. For now. Oh, we start directly there. I get it, okay. But I don't mind because I like the music a lot in this section. Okay, that wasn't the best position to start, but then again. Practice the idea of this anyway, so just go for them, right? Figure out. Oh, wait. Okay. So basically, if you know how to do these patterns properly, you can get like a lot of points in. Ah, that was probably... It would have been better if I saved that up here. What can you do? Fuck me. Oh, we somehow managed. It said quad left. Does it mean I need to do a quad for it to count, or what does it want me to do? I'm not quite sure, I'm afraid. Oh, come on, that's never what I wanted. Oh, we're so lucky. Okay, now it just says quad because it starts with a quad. But I guess it wants you to build a certain height. The more risky you get, the more you get out of it, then basically. Oh, weird one. Okay, so 1928. $1,928 for heart. Okay, made it to 1,929. The 3910 were, by the way, on the normal, not easy bit posted yesterday. Okay.